Hello viewers, welcome to the next video in the catalog series for WhatACart. In this video, we are going to discuss about manufacturers. Okay, why we need them in the store. So it helps people to know who has developed the product. So let's say if I am purchasing a product, I should know who is the manufacturer for this particular product. Secondly, it helps in categorizing the product. What does it mean? Like if I am visiting a store, then I should be able to search by manufacturer as well. Third, it creates an impression in the mind of customer. What does it mean? So let's say if I purchase a product and I start using it and the product turns out to be very good, right? So I would provide a good review and rating for the product. Also, I purchase another product from another manufacturer, but that product doesn't turn out to be good. So I provide negative feedback and a bad rating for that particular product. So next time when I visit the store, I have the impression in my mind that okay, last time when I purchased the product from this manufacturer, it turns out to be good, and if I and the product that I purchased from another manufacturer, it turns out to be bad. So I would prefer to search by the manufacturer whose product turns out to be good. So in this way it helps the decision of the customer in purchase of the products. Moving ahead, we would see how do we manage the manufacturers in WhatACart. So for that we need to log in into the admin panel. So here we are. Okay, so I would just provide the username and password over here and I would sign in into the admin panel. Okay, so here we would click on catalog, then we would click on manufacturers. So by default there are 4 manufacturers that are provided. So one is Apple, second one is Canon, third one is HTC, and fourth one is Sony. So first of all, let's understand this screen. So here for each row you can have the view operation, update operation, and the delete operation, right? Secondly, you can perform the filtering over here. So let's say if I say Apple over here and I press tab, I would just get the Apple result, right? Now okay, we don't have any status as inactive right now, so let's add it Canon, change the status to inactive and save. Now we would go to the grid view. So here if I filter by status, so if I select active, so Canon is not displayed over here. Now if I select inactive, Canon is being displayed over here. So you can do the filtering on this screen as well. Now if you want to perform the bulk operations, then that as well you can perform on this screen. So there are 2 bulk operations, one is bulk edit and another one is bulk delete. So let's say if I want to make all of these inactive, so I would select Apple, HTC and Sony over here, and then I click on bulk edit. I select the status and here I would select as inactive and then click submit. So all these have become inactive now. Okay, now let's select all of them, click on bulk edit, change the status to active and click submit. So all of them become active here. Now let's see the pagination thing. So right now we have the 4 records on this screen. Now here if I select 2 per page, so now only 2 records are being displayed and the pagination is enabled. So if I click on page number 2, I would be taken to the page number 2. So this is about pagination. Now let's create a new manufacturer. Okay, so I'm saying man 1, I'm putting the status as active and I click save. So this is saved successfully. Now let's create another one. I create man 2. I select status as active. Say save. Okay, and I create another one. I'm creating 3 records because then we can test both delete and bulk delete. So I am selecting status as inactive and I click save. So this is saved as well successfully. So we have man 1, man 2 and man 3 shown over here. Now let's delete man 3. So this way you are able to delete the manufacturer. Now let's see bulk delete. So here I would just select man 1 and man 2 and then I click on bulk delete. So it has deleted man 1 and man 2 from here. Okay, now the view operation. So if I click on view, okay, there is no image right now for it. So because we have modal detail as yes right now, so that's why it's the view screen is shown in the modal way. Now if I select modal detail as no, and if I click on view, it would be open in the normal view over here. Now here you would see a browse drop down. So this contains the list of all the manufacturers apart from the manufacturer that we are displaying over here. So if I select Canon from here, the Canon record would be displayed. Okay, so this is about the view operation. So that's all in the admin section for manufacturers. Now we would go to the front end. Okay, so let's open the front end over here. So I would say dev.whatacart.com. Okay, and I would go to the detail page of Sony Vaio 27. Okay, so here we are displaying the manufacturer for this particular product, which is Sony. Now if I click on this, it would take me to the search results by manufacturer. So it would, so we have clicked on Sony, right? So we would get all the products manufactured by Sony over here. So this is how the manufacturers work in WhatACart. I hope this tutorial is useful to you. In case you have any questions, you can post them in the comment section, or you can contact us at support@whatacart.com. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you very much.